to see here. First problem. Atomic number of the iodine is given. Z value is 53. Mass number of iodine is given 125. R naught proportionality constant also given 1.2 Fermi. Fermi means 10 power minus 15 meters. Find the radius of the iodine. Radius of the iodine. Here, yesterday I give formula for radius nana. Radius formula is given R equal to R naught A power 1 by 3. Okay? For example, surface area directly proportional to A power 2 by 3. Volume directly proportional to A. These three formulas to use solving the problems. Here A indicate mass number, S indicate surface area. Here I substitute all the values. R naught value 1.2 into 10 power minus 15. What is the A value? Mass number here write 125 whole power 1 by 3. Here neatly write as 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 into 125 write as 5 cube. Here 1 by 3. 3 what? Cancel. 1.2 into 5 6 into 10 power minus 15 meters. This is the first question. Alane second question I discuss. Second question. Compare the radii of two nuclei with mass numbers is given. First mass number A1 is 8. A2 is given 64. Find the radius ratio. అంటే సింపుల్గా R1 by R2 equal to how much? This is the question. We know that radius of the nucleus formula is R naught A power 1 by 3. According to this relation, R directly proportional to A power 1 by 3. Simply call as R1 by R2 equal to directly means A1 by A2 whole power 1 by 3. Here A1 write as 8, A2 write as 64 given values. 8 by 64 write as 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 3. 8 write as 2 cube. The whole power 1 by 3. Here 3 what? Cancel. Finally we get 1:2. Next here another question is find the ratio of densities. Density for a nuclei already yesterday I determined approximately 2.3 into here 10 power 17. Density of other nuclei also 2.3 into 10 power 17 because density is independent upon the mass number. Density for all nuclei same. So this way cancel. Finally densities ratio of different nuclei are 1:1 because density for all nuclei same. Next fourth question, the third question. Here in the third question this important topic is lithium 36, lithium 37. Here lithium 36, lithium 37. Same atomic number but different mass numbers. These are called isotopes. Two isotopes is given. First isotope contain mass is 6.0125 U. Here U is nothing but the AMU. AMU is a unit of mass in the chapter. Here also 7.01600 U. U is the AMU. Here this percentage is 7.5%. Here this percent is 92.5%. Find total mass of the lithium. Total mass means 100%. 92.5% plus 7.5%. Total becomes 100. And both are added. Total mass of the lithium means total will be added. First element contain how much percent? 7.5% means by 100 into its mass is nearly 6. Here write 92.5 by 100. Its mass is 7. It will be calculated to get the answer. ఇలా percentage ఇచ్చినప్పుడు total mass can be calculated. 7.5% into that mass, 92.5% into that mass, both are added to give the total mass of the lithium. Next one theoretical bit I ask. 1 AMU means what is the value? 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kg. 1 AMU release how much energy nana? 931.5 MeV energy. 1 AMU nothing but the 1 proton or 1 neutron to release the energy of 931.5 MeV. Other 1 electron or positron to release the energy 0.51 MeV. I discuss another most important problem to see here. Here 1 microgram of uranium release how much energy? This is the question. Nana, here to determine energy, mass is given. What is the Einstein equation? Equal to mc square. Here mass is given, micro means 10 power minus 6. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Gram means 10 power minus 3 kg. Velocity of light is given 3 into 10 power 8 whole square. All will be taken in SI. What is the energy SI unit nana? Joule. Here 3 square 9, 10 power 16 into 10 power minus 9. Bases equal, powers will be added. Nana, a power m whole power n, a power m into n. Here neatly write as 9 into 10 power 7. This is the unit of energy nana. Energy value is 9 into 10 power 7 joule. This answer. అప్పుడప్పుడు kilowatt hour అంటాడు. In the first year kilowatt hour equal to 36 into 10 power 5 joules. Kilowatt hour లో అడిగితే 9 into 10 power 7. Here joule write as kilowatt hour by 36 into 10 power 5. This can be calculated to get the answer in terms of kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is nothing but the how many joules nana? 36 into 10 power 5 joules. Next nana, another model nana, to distance of closest approach nana. Question number 5 nana. Here keyword is the problem is distance of closest approach. Here an alpha particle have energy 10 MeV. An alpha particle having energy 10 MeV collides with a nucleus of atomic number 50. Then the distance of closest approach approach will be find. Distance of closest approach denoted by R naught. This can be calculated. Here two particles is there. One particle name alpha particle. Another one is nucleus. Here two particles is there. First particle, here charge formula in the chapter ZE. Here 2E. Here charge is nucleus. Here also nucleus atomic number is given 50 E. Here what is the value of E nana? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Here also 50. What is the E value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Here alpha particle having energy 10 MeV collides అన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు నాకు keyword distance of closest approach means Ke will be converted into P. Here directly Ke value given 10 MeV. 1 MeV అంటే already I give 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 joules. Then here MeV is given. MeV is not a SI unit, so it can be converted. PE, electricity potential energy formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R naught. Here it will be calculated neatly. 1.6 into 10 power minus 12 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R naught. Left side 1.6 into 10 power minus 12. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value 9 into 10 power 9. Q1 already 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Q2 50 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 by to calculate R naught. Once again I repeat, 1 by 4 pi is not value will get electricity 9 into 10 power 9. This can be R naught can be calculated. Okay, 2 into 5 10. Okay, 9 unlone vastundi answer. Here 1.6 is there, so that's why 9 into 1.6 14.4 something was R naught is 14.4 into 10 power minus 15 meters. This is the method nana. Here next nana, another example I give last problem in the class nana to see here. Next problem number 6th problem nana. I discuss 2 or more problems. 6th problem. Here another question is I give an equation. Here lithium 37 plus proton gives rise to helium 24 2 times. According to question, Be by A value is given. Be by A value of lithium is given 5.6 MeV. It's not given. Here its value alpha particle value is given 7.06 MeV. Here this is the Be by A value for lithium, Be by A value of helium. Either Be by A value of proton can be calculated. This is the question. Here how much energy of proton? The question is energy of proton can be calculated. This is the equation. First to determine Be by A for lithium is given 5.6. According to this question, what is the Be value? 5.6 into A. Here 5.6, okay. A is called mass number. Mass number means lithium mass number is 7. Here 5 sevens 35, 6 sevens 42, 39.2 energy release for lithium. అలానే నాన్న ఇది లిథియం దిన. అలానే ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్ ఆఫ్ Be by A is given 7.06. According to this question, denominator other side numerator 7.06 into A. What is the mass number of alpha particle? 4 into 7 28.24 energy release for this particle name alpha particle, this particle name lithium. Okay, all energies can be calculated. Maybe here energy release, the question is energy of proton aggregate. Energy of proton aggregate, the meaning energy of proton aggregate, that meaning ఏంటి అంటే రైట్ సైడ్ మైనస్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకుందాం. ఇదిగో ఇది ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ఆల్ఫా పార్టికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 28.24. ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, 2 ఉన్నాయి అంటే 28 into 2 ఎంత? 56. 24 into 2 48. 56.48 రైట్ సైడ్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ప్రోటాన్ ఎనర్జీ వచ్చింది, ప్రోటాన్ ఎనర్జీ E. ఇక్కడ లిథియం ఎనర్జీ కనుక్కున్నాం, ఎంత వచ్చింది? 39.2. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎప్పుడైనా ఈక్వేషన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్ సైడ్. మరి ఇప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఏమో 39.2 ప్లస్ E ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్ సైడ్ 56.48. అంటే సింపుల్గా ఎనర్జీ E రావాలి అంటే 56.48 మైనస్ 39.2. Here 8, 4లో 2 పోతే 2, 16లో 9 పోతే 7, 4లో 3 పోతే 1. అంటే ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటాన్ బికమ్ 7.28. దీని ఇంతసేపు వద్దునన్న వాడు Be by A ఇస్తాడు. మీరు సింపుల్గా Be కనుక్కోండి. సింపుల్గా ఏం చేయాలి? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవ్వాలి ఈక్వేషన్లో? రైట్ సైడ్ అవ్వాలి. అంటే సింపుల్గా రైట్ సైడ్ మైనస్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ బికమ్స్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోటాన్. సింప్లీ కాల్ యాస్ ఈక్వేషన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది. అర్థమైంది కదా? ఇది నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న టు అండర్స్టాండ్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నాన్న, నెక్స్ట్ another model నాన్న, 7th bit. Here నాన్న, here look here. Mass of the proton 1.007825. Mass of the neutron 1.008665. అయితే here actual mass of the element is 34.98000 AMU. All the mass is measured in AMU. Find the Be by A. That means average binding energy can be calculated, or binding energy per nucleon can be calculated. Now we know that binding energy formula, mass in AMU, binding energy formula is delta M into 931.5 MeV by here mass number. Once again, mass in AMU, what is the formula for binding energy? Delta M into 931.5 MeV. Here delta M is nothing but the mass defect. Mass defect formula is ZMP plus A minus Z into Mn minus capital M. Here calculated mass minus actual mass into terminal 931.5 MeV by here mass number. Here chemical symbol of element is chlorine 1735. This is Z, this is A. Here substitute none. Here right side Z value is Z, atomic number is 17 into mass of the each proton is given 1.007825 plus A minus Z. A minus Z means 35 minus 17, 18 into mass of the neutron is 1.008665. Here this is the calculated mass minus actual mass is 34 something into 931.5 by mass number is by 35. It will be calculated to get the BE by A value. To get the BE by A value. Another more important problem is I explained on 78. The question number is 8. In the 8th is here keyword in the problem distance of closest approach. Distance of closest approach can seen in the question. Kinetic energy equal to potential energy. Here in the chapter potential energy formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r naught. It becomes equal to kinetic energy. Here initial distance closest approach r naught with respect to kinetic energy k. Next find r naught. Its kinetic energy 2k. According to this relation, kinetic energy and distance inversely. That's why r inversely proportional to k. According to this relation, r2 will get r2 by r1 equal to k1 by k2. Here, what is the k1 value? K. What is the k2 value? 2k. Here left side r2 by r1 is given r0. Here kk cancel. r2 equal to r0 by 2. Completed. Generally directly I said kinetic energy double. Automatically distance will be half because both are inversely. Directly I solve that. Okay. To solve today assignment these models. Okay. Thank you.